9019 printer. So we are going to do the copy, print and scan using this printer. To do a copy, we simply have to open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner. Close the lid and go on the display panel. On the display panel you will see there is a copy icon here, so click on that. Select if it is a ID card or if it's photo or document. Now click on the copy button as you can see here, and if you want you can just select the black or color, and also if it is one or two sided, all the options are here, and click on the copy. So here we can see, so instantly it has done the copy from here. Now next thing is how to do the print and scan. To do print and scan, we need to set up this printer with the Wi-Fi network. For example, I'm going to show you here. Scroll down the top bar and click on the wireless, click on the setting icon, click on the network setup, click on the wireless settings, select wireless setup wizard, and it will search for the available wireless routers in its range. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect. Enter the password using this touchscreen display panel. Once you enter the password, click on the done button and click OK. So it will set up the connection here. So the blue light which is blinking will stop blinking. That means it is connected to the Wi-Fi network and we are ready to use it for the wireless function. So once it is connected, it will display all the details, IP address, MAC address. So click OK and go to the home button. Open your any device, for example iPhone or Android phone, and open the HP Smart app. You can download this app from the App Store, and once you open it, click on the Add Printer button and you will see the name of the printer will appear here, as printer is available on the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. If you can't see, just go back and it should be available on this screen. Click on that and your printer displays here. Now start with the print documents. Click on the print document section. Select any document you want to print and click on the print icon and print button. So here we can see that its wireless printing is so this way we can do the wireless printing. Now to do the scanning, we have to go to the home button and place a page on the top scanner, or we can place it on the top feeder tray facing upward, and click on the printer scan button and hit the blue icon here. So here we can see you can add multiple pages here if you want to do the multiple scannings, and then it will be saved as a single file. So here we can see the scanning has arrived. So this way we can do the wireless printing and scanning and also the copy. Thanks for watching.